Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an Avengers drawing using an easy method. We will start by laying down the foundational shapes. Imagine a circle for the head and a rectangle for the main body. These basic forms are your first step, providing a solid framework. Remember to sketch these initial lines very lightly, as they are just guides. This approach makes the entire process much less intimidating and more manageable for everyone. Now let's build upon those initial shapes. Gently refine your circle and rectangle into the more specific outlines of your chosen Avenger. Use the guidelines you drew to accurately place facial features such as the eyes, nose, and mouth. Think about the character's unique costume, perhaps a shield, a hammer, or an arc reactor. Adding these details brings your drawing to life, one careful stroke at a time. With the details in place, it is time to make your drawing permanent. Take a darker pencil or a fine point pen and carefully trace over your desired lines. Focus on making each line smooth and confident, defining the edges of your Avenger. Once you are satisfied with your outline, gently erase all the lighter sketch lines and guidelines. This step reveals a clean, crisp drawing, ready for the next stage. Finally, let's add some life to your Avenger. Introduce basic shading to create depth and dimension, making your character appear less flat. Think about where light would hit and where shadows would fall. If you wish, bring in color using colored pencils or markers to truly make your hero pop. Take a moment to step back and review your artwork, making any last-minute adjustments. You have successfully drawn an Avenger.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.